Today, we're going to be reviewing a vacuum. A vacuum. Part 2! I hate myself so much. For today's vacuum, we got the Bissell Ow! I already hurt myself and it's just the beginning of the video. Today we have the Bissell Powerlifter Swivel Rewind Pets. I'm not sponsored! We have a knife. No! I honestly don't trust myself around a knife, but you know what? It's fine. I'm not gonna die. Ooh. Bissell Powerlifter Swivel Pet Rewind. Sorry, I read the name wrong. It's Powerlifter Swivel. I'm just gonna give up. Febreze. We have the pet hair eraser tool. We have we have the turbo eraser pet. I think I broke it. Fine. Have this thing. I have to put this thing together with screws. No! I will never. Kill yourself. Oh my god. Shoot. Ah, mother! Oh, I'm getting it. I'm doing it. Oh my god, I'm scared of it. Come out of the stupid box! Ow! Oh my. Oh no! This is probably why my tripod's broken. Okay, let's continue. Please don't hurt my knee. I'm asking you very nicely. Do not hurt my knee. You are much bigger of a vacuum than the other one. And somehow people do not believe that I was in pain after the stupid tube hit me. That's what this thing do. Whoa! I don't understand how this is supposed to go there. Oh no, maybe it's supposed to go here. Maybe it's supposed to like click. I did it! Oh. That's what that does. Please don't start. Let's get the screwing things together. There we go. I don't have a screwdriver. I don't want to get up again. Yes. Ow. Yes. It's together. Not like my life. No. There's a dog on the box. Who's a good boy? That's a good boy. Look at it. Look at the good boy. Good boy. Jesus Christ. So, now we can resume putting it together. It says this is a suction indicator. That's nice. Ah! Ow! Where is this piece supposed to go? I just had to let that out. You know what? We're just gonna use this knife. Do I not have a screwdriver? I know I have a screwdriver somewhere. I'm just destroying this house. Oh my god. I don't have a screwdriver! Let's just. Oh my god, why does that smell so good? I found a filter. Is there only supposed to be one filter that goes in this thing? Because then I just opened this one for no reason at all. After finding out that I hope that's... Thank you. I hope that's where the filter goes. I still don't know where this thing goes! Where does it go? I don't understand where does... How is my iPod not shattered yet? Perfect! I did it! I'm proud of myself for once. I still need to find a screwdriver. Yes! I found one! One I could have almost died. Yes, we're getting somewhere finally. Is this what my YouTube channel has come to? Me doing another vacuum review because I'm too lazy to edit, and this is probably going to take me a month to get this video out? I think so. Loser, 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 I'm a loser. I could have died. So I kind of have a little bit of a mess all over the place. Just like my life. But you know what? That's okay. We have a vacuum. You see? Ooh. Okay. Ow. That really hurt. Ow. Ah! What part of don't hurt my knee don't you understand? So this is supposed to have a retractable cord.
Y'all saw that, right?
So this is supposed to have a retractable cord.
Nope. Nope, it's haunted. Nope, my house is haunted. I'm moving out. Bye.
So we're gonna probably put it in the most unsafe spot and show how that works. I think it's supposed to work like with this button over here. I'm gonna hit this button. We're gonna put the cord over here. We're gonna press this button. Wait, do I have to hold it? Wait. Oh my god, no! That went all the way through the kitchen. Oh my god. Let's press this button. Ah! White shirt, now red, my blood, Dino sleeping. You're on your tippy toes, creeping around like no one knows. Think you're so criminal. Bruises on both my knees for you. Ah, yes! Ow, ow. Okay. Oh, stop moving! Stop moving! So, I have a mess all over the floor. I'm gonna pick that up. And just like part 1, we're gonna vacuum.
Oh, do you think I forgot? Mexican intensify!
Now that I'm done cleaning, let's get to vacuuming. Yay! That whole thing moved. And I'm done. I didn't need to empty it at all. Unlike the shark one we had to do, I emptied it about 12 times the last time I used it. After that video I did, it literally killed itself. No joke. I do not recommend that vacuum. I recommend this one. This floor is cleaner. You can eat food off of it. Don't do that. You will destroy your carpet. I love this vacuum. Bissell Powerlifter Swivel Rewind for pets? Get it! Anyway, that'll be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like. It is said that this is the type of video that is most viewed on my channel. I do recommend this vacuum. I really do.